Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, January 21st. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. In America, there are 50. Correct. And to something. This means to attempt something. Please listen and write this in your notebook. What state do you live in? This is in America. What state do you live in? State. America has 50 states, like California, Texas, Hawaii. Now let's make a flashcard for state. Please write state up here in the top left corner. S-T-A-T-E. Down here in this corner, N1, V2. N1 on the left side is the one we are learning now. It means noun, level 1. And please write the number down here in the bottom right corner. 165 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. A, state. What about you? Do you live in America? What state do you live in? Let me know in the comments. Now let's do word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will try to score a goal. Jennifer will try to score a goal. Try. T-R-Y. She will make an effort. She will do her best. Now let's make a flashcard for try. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To try. The basic form is to try something, for example, to try tennis or to try a new way. And we also say to try to do something. Jennifer will try to score a goal. Down here in the bottom left corner, V1 and 2. The one we're doing now is V1, verb level 1. Over here the number 67 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Try. Game over. It's time to go. Today we learned in America there are 50 states. Very good. And Jennifer, maybe she will score a goal. We don't know, but she will try to score a goal. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is things that breathe and eat. And number 2 is a big thing that you put money in and you can buy a drink or some junk food. And number 3 means to frighten somebody. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.